Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating a 1080 by 1920 project so your reel fills the screen. Import your video clips, music, and any overlays, then drag them to the timeline and perform rough trims so you keep only the key moments. Make sure the project frame rate is 30 FPS and high-quality export is enabled. This prevents stutter and compression artifacts. Once done, label layers and lock background layers to avoid accidental edits while you build transitions and timing. Now you focus on timing and visual polish. Use keyframes to animate position, scale, and opacity, and apply easing so motion feels natural. You can preview and adjust curves for smoother acceleration. Add masks and blending modes for layered looks and perform basic color correction to match clips. Sync your cuts and effects to the audio by placing markers at beats, then nudge keyframes to hit those marks. Make sure to group related layers so you can move timing without breaking compositions. To finish, export as MP4 with H.264, set bitrate around 8 to 12 Mbps, and keep 30 FPS so Instagram plays it smoothly. Ensure no letterboxing by matching the 9:16 canvas. Preview the full export on your device and trim to fit the desired reel length between 15 and 60 seconds. Upload directly to Instagram from your phone. If you see playback artifacts or odd colors, re-render using a hardware codec or slightly lower bitrate, then retest. That fix solves most export problems.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.